latest Hostinger coupon code. So if you want a coupon code for Hostinger, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Hostinger coupon code. After searching, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the coupon codes. So you just need simply go with a link. For example, I'll go with this one. Now right click on that, go with open a new link tab, and again go with the second one. Right click, go with open link in a new tab. You need to do this for 3 to 4 websites, and after doing that, you can just click and open the website, and here on the right side you will have show coupon code. So if you want the coupon code, you can just simply click on show coupon code, and it will again take you to the next tab, and it will show you the coupon code. And after that, you can just copy the coupon code from here, or you can also continue to the store, which will directly take you to the Hostinger website, and you'll be able to claim the deal. So you can go with copy code, which is right here, or you can also go with the website. In the same way, you can go with the other website, and here also you'll have show coupon code option. You can just click on it, and you can copy, or you can also redeem at the Hostinger. So in this way, you'll be able to get the coupon codes for Hostinger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.